This is going to be the elevator at Boscov's at the Westfield Shopping Center in Meriden, Connecticut. Ooh, I like that sound of that motor. Let's go back down to the lower level. It's got a cab here. This is a pretty spacious cab for a store in the mall. Don't usually see elevators this big. I'm not really sure what kind of elevator this is. Haven't really seen these kind of fixtures before. It's also an interesting indicator, don't see many like that. Oh, it's a pretty nice cab though. Spacious for a mall elevator. It's going back up to UL, upper level. That will be all for today.